Welcome back to No Madness Adventures. What's he up to? I'll tell you what he's up to. I don't want to climb the ladder. But, oh no, I'm not climbing that ladder. How's it going, honey? Oh, I'll go stand on the hill. Are you tired? Well, at least the sun went away. It's really hot out. What he's doing is called poor man's fiberglass. You put down a layer of, what is it? Glue. What glue, though? Type-on? Type-on 2 glue. And you use a painter's canvas. You have to not wash it with detergent, but run it through the washer on the rinse cycle. And then you have to dry it so so you shrink it. And then you have to iron it, which is what he's doing right now on the roof. And so you put down a layer of the Type-on 2 glue. Then you put it on there. Don't stretch it, but lay it on there flat. And then when that dries, you do another layer of the glue on the top of the fabric. And then you'll see what happens. It turns into a fiberglass. It's crazy, but it's actually stronger than a gel coat. Right, honey? Yes. This one guy, he actually did it on a piece of wood and he left it out in the elements for 2 years. And it was incredible how it withstood rain, sun, snow, all the elements for 2 years. And it was still like the day that he had done it. So this is what we're doing. Poor man's fiberglass. The whole thing, the sides and all, but it's a lot of work. Anyway, oops, sorry. Anyway, I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, today, the front. So this is a painter's cloth. And this is how you do poor man's fiberglass. Make sure you overlap the sections. Right now he's just tacking it. Then he has to iron it. It's alright, you'll just have to drop it a little. Like an inch, if that, right? Yeah. I didn't even know that ladder could go like a normal ladder. Yep. That's like a 3-in-1. They really soak you for $200, don't they? Yep. They sure do. But it's a safe one. Once you get this on the whole body, it will be waterproof. But we still have to put the windows in for it to be completely waterproof, right? Yep.
Now, does that reach all the way down?
Let me see. Yep, you got maybe a 1/4 of an inch overhang. That's good. That's my expensive Rowenta he's ruining. See the glue? See the glue? You see it? Yeah, that's what he's doing to my iron.
You think I should cut this? Like,
No.
and then
It'll be fine. It's kind of underneath the...
I can cut that out.
Really? We're trying to make a video here. Where'd he go? No, I think it'll be fine.
Really?
Yeah.
I can cut that.
I think we're going to be putting a trim piece over it for aesthetics anyway. Like an outside one. Because we're going to do the diamond plate on there so no rocks ruin it. That's what I think. What you up to? Now this is what a woman likes to see. Did you missed it?
Yeah. I mean, while I go over it.
Ah, yeah, there you go. Because the Rowenta doesn't steam when it's held upright. Because they think it's in the resting position. You know, that way you won't get burned. So you have to use a mister. Right, mister?
Yep.
I'm sure most irons wouldn't steam sitting upright.
The cheap ones do.
The cheap ones do. Right. Oh, man. That is a fact. All right, so you got to get the wrinkles out from the fold. And then you will peel it back and start applying the glue underneath. And then when that's dry, you apply glue over top. But I'll show you how you do the poor man's fiberglass. Just get any painter's cloth.
Preferably one without seams.
Well, preferably one without seams, but there's going to be so many coats on it, it's not going to be that big a deal. All right, guys. We'll catch up with them later. Sorry, guys. It's been a while since we put a video up because every day we had to work on this, it's rained. So, finally. Okay, so this is what it looks like. That's the rough. This is the sanded. We are sanding it. It is smooth. 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 So this is the poor man's fiberglass. Once it's all sanded, then you'll be able to start applying your glossy paint. And it will be waterproof. It will be waterproof. It looks horrible right now, but it's supposed to. So, once it's all sanded, we start with the layers of glossy paint, and then we can put in the windows, the doors, and we'll be able to start working on the inside. Stay tuned. It's finally getting somewhere. All right, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.